From early morning runs to weekend hikes, the Haki Mix V blends cutting-edge tech with practical wearability. More than just a smart visor, this device redefines hands-free audio on the move. Its bold, tie-dye pattern and sleek emblem project confidence without sacrificing utility. While the packaging, a refined blue box, underscores its premium quality. Quick charge technology delivers up to 75 minutes of playback from just 10 minutes plugged in. When fully charged, you're equipped with up to 8 hours of talk time or continuous music. The AOHi USB 4 2.0 8-in-1 cable set is a comprehensive solution for those seeking high-speed connectivity and fast charging in one reliable package. This versatile cable supports Thunderbolt 4, delivering data transfer speeds up to 40 gigabits per second, ensuring that large files and media move effortlessly between devices. Whether you're working on a MacBook Pro, iPad, or Galaxy, the 240-watt PD 3.1 USB-C fast charging feature ensures devices charge quickly and efficiently. Built to sharpen your multitasking game, the Clumsy KX offers a 15.6-inch portable monitor with touchscreen capabilities and a crisp 1080p resolution. Designed for seamless plug-and-play with laptops and PCs, this screen extender delivers high performance without complicated setup. The 10-point touch feature ensures precise control, whether you're sketching designs, editing documents, or managing multiple tasks at once. Drift into undisturbed sleep with a device engineered not just for comfort, but for intelligent support. This sleep innovation integrates real-time snore-stopping technology, gently responding to disturbances before they escalate, promoting smoother breathing patterns throughout the night. It doesn't just react, it listens, adapts, and adjusts. The adjustable height system allows fine-tuned customization for spinal alignment, supporting your neck whether you sleep on your back or side. Elevate your experience with the Razer Pro Click V2, a mouse designed to merge comfort with performance. Engineered for those long work or gaming hours, its vertical design promotes a natural handshake posture, reducing strain on your wrist. The Razer Pro Click V2 doesn't stop at performance. With 18 zones of chroma RGB lighting, it delivers vibrant, personalized lighting that reacts in real time to your gaming. Choose from 16.8 million colors to set the perfect tone for your setup. When it comes to cutting through cardboard, Boxblade is in a league of its own. Designed for both precision and power, this tool transforms the task of slicing through tough cardboard into an effortless experience. Equipped with a high-torque motor, it delivers rapid vibrations that ensure each cut is smooth and accurate. The dual rechargeable batteries provide lasting power, enabling Boxblade to tackle even the thickest boxes without slowing down. Tucked into your palm like a small gem, the Instax Pal redefines spontaneous photography with its pocket-sized brilliance. Designed for adventurers, creators, and everyday dreamers, it slips effortlessly into any lifestyle, offered in 5 vibrant colors to suit your mood or journey. Unlike earlier models, this first-of-its-kind Instax creation focuses solely on capturing images, stripping away printing features to achieve a sleek, palm-sized form, perfect for fast-paced moments and on-the-go exploration. The V-Copter Falcon Mini offers a cutting-edge, compact design that combines advanced drone technology with superior flight performance. Engineered with a V-shaped bicopter configuration, this drone stands out for its unique structure and agility in the air. Powered by a robust 50-minute flight time, it allows users to capture breathtaking aerial shots with an impressive 4K video camera mounted on a stable 3-axis gimbal. The NanoLeaf 4 DTV Sync camera and smart addressable gradient light strip kit transforms your viewing space into an immersive lighting experience designed for home theaters and console gaming. Compatible with TVs and monitors up to 85 inches, this kit integrates seamlessly into your setup, offering an enhanced atmosphere with synchronized lighting that reacts to the action on screen. The included camera tracks your display's content, adjusting the light strip's colors in real time. Built to outperform the rest, this compact power block delivers more than just watts. It delivers peace of mind. Whether you're juicing up a flagship phone, a tablet on the fly, or even a lightweight laptop, it handles the load without breaking a sweat. With a futuristic, robot-inspired design, the charger stands out without shouting. But what really sets it apart is what's inside. Compatibility. Wider than a football field, this little powerhouse recognizes and works with practically every major fast-charging protocol. Slipping into your jacket pocket like a notepad, the Quill foldable keyboard redefines portable productivity. Engineered at just 2.8 millimeters thick and weighing under 5.3 ounces, this Bluetooth marvel doesn't just travel light, it feels like it's barely there. But once opened, it becomes a full-featured workspace equipped with responsive touch input and satisfying haptic feedback. No bulk, no compromise. Crafted from sleek aluminum alloy, Quill is built to endure yet designed to impress. When sleep matters as much as sound, precision matters. The sleep-optimized speaker delivers high-fidelity audio within a body just 0.43 inches thin, resting flat beneath your pillow without disrupting your comfort. Designed for bedtime use, its 11mm profile ensures it stays discreet while surrounding you in rich, immersive sound without pressing against your ear or causing discomfort. Tactile precision meets modern minimalism. This innovative metal card packs an entire polyhedral dice set into a design thinner than a smartphone. Engineered from solid aluminum alloy, it's built to endure years of tabletop sessions without losing its clean machined edge. Whether you're rolling a D4, D6, D8, D10, D12, or even a D20, each dial spins with crisp resistance, delivering randomized results without the clutter of traditional dice. When precision engineering meets tactile obsession, you get a writing instrument that refuses to be ordinary. This isn't just a pen, it's a magnetic, modular experience built to satisfy restless fingers and curious minds. Constructed from aerospace-grade aluminum and equipped with rare earth magnets, it snaps, clicks, and spins in ways that keep your focus sharp and your hands engaged. Introducing the YouMind Mirror, a breakthrough in wearable health tech. This smart health tracking device stands out as the world's smallest BCI, designed to revolutionize how you track your brain activity. Weighing just 5.2 grams, the YouMind Mirror is powered by our self-developed chip and measures brain waves to enhance focused performance and optimize your sleep patterns. With an SDK included, it allows for the creation of innovative apps, further expanding its potential. When you're on the move and demand purity with precision, this bottle responds with innovation. Crafted for the forward thinker, it combines intelligent hydration tracking with advanced filtration and self-cleaning power, all housed in a sleek stainless steel body. The built-in essential filter eliminates chlorine, PFAS, and other unwanted elements, leaving you with crisp, clean-tasting water wherever you are. The bottle practically cleans itself so you don't have to. Designed from double-wall, vacuum-insulated 1880 stainless steel, your drink stays ice cold for a full 24 hours, no matter the heat outside. Stargazing just met its next evolution. Whether you're on a rooftop in the city or camping under open skies, Hestia transforms your smartphone into a powerful astrophotography tool. No bulky equipment or rocket science required. Designed with precision and elegance, Hestia reshapes everything you thought a telescope could be. Compact as a 6x9-inch book and featherlight at under 2 pounds, it slips into your bag with ease, ready for adventure whenever you are. Tread redefines portable pizza ovens, offering unmatched mobility and performance. This ultra-rugged, lightweight oven is designed to deliver high-temperature cooking anywhere, whether you're at a campsite, tailgate, or remote destination. With its adventure-ready insulation, Tread ensures that every pizza comes out perfectly cooked, even in challenging environments. The oven pairs effortlessly with the Venture Stand, allowing you to set up an outdoor kitchen wherever your adventures take you. No bright distractions, no attention traps. The Lightphone 3 is here for those ready to reclaim their time and presence. Built for people tired of the upgrade treadmill, this device honors durability, clarity, and purpose. With a sleek metal frame, 5G connectivity, and USB-C charging, it provides what's essential without dragging you into the noise. Every element of the Lightphone 3 speaks intention. The camera is purposefully minimalist, echoing classic point-and-shoot film cameras. The Brava oven redefines convenience with its all-in-one functionality, making it an essential addition to any modern kitchen. With over 8,000 customizable cooking programs, this smart oven lets you cook a wide variety of dishes with ease. Whether you're preparing a simple meal of chicken wings and vegetables or crafting a pizza, the oven's one-touch programs take the guesswork out of cooking. Plus, you can cook multiple ingredients at once, saving time and effort. This versatile appliance serves as an air fryer, roaster, baker, and even a slow cooker. Step into the future of compact control with the M1 by MonsterTech, a pocket-sized powerhouse engineered for serious users. Designed for environments where speed and versatility matter, the M1 eliminates the chaos of juggling remotes, cards, and interfaces. Thanks to its integrated infrared technology, it functions as a universal controller, consolidating everything from your TV to your air conditioner into one seamless device. Escape into your favorite stories without eye strain or disturbing others. The premium book light frame transforms late-night reading into a smooth, focused experience. Designed with an optical-grade magic lighting plate, this innovative frame evenly distributes warm, shadow-free illumination directly onto the page. No hotspots. Walang halos. Just pure, focused light tailored for private moments with your book. In the fast-paced world of remote work, small devices can make a big difference. Meet Boop, a minimalistic 3-button controller designed specifically to give you quick access to your mic, camera, and screen share in virtual meetings. With Boop, fumbling with on-screen icons or shortcut keys is a thing of the past. Each button is tactile, intuitive, and dedicated. One press mutes or unmutes your mic, another toggles your camera, and the last handles screen sharing. No distractions, just direct control. Mirage SandArt offers an innovative way to experience sound in a visual form, using vibrations to shape sand into mesmerizing patterns. Through cymatics, sound waves become visible, transforming into intricate designs and offering a unique perspective on the forces that surround us. Process is simple but profound. Vibrations from sound waves interact with sand, creating dynamic patterns that appear to dance and flow in real time. The Antank B08 power bank stands out as an essential tool for anyone in need of a high-capacity charging solution. With an impressive 25,000 mAh capacity, it provides enough power to keep multiple devices charged throughout the day, whether you're traveling, working, or enjoying outdoor activities. Its dual carrying options, including a convenient handle and a sleek design, make it easy to transport without sacrificing style or practicality. Introducing the Orzen Zip, a compact powerhouse that brings entertainment to your fingertips anytime, anywhere. With its ultra-portable design, this device is incredibly lightweight, weighing no more than your phone, yet it's half the size. Whether you're on a road trip, relaxing at home, or on the go, the Zip is ready to deliver immersive experiences. The Orzen Zip offers effortless access to entertainment without the need for accessories. It unfolds in seconds, offering a user-friendly experience with zero hassle. Compact and powerful, the Wearable E1 is designed to enhance your daily carry with advanced features and practicality. This EDC flashlight offers 300 lumens of bright focused light in a versatile small form factor. Whether you're illuminating a dark corner or using it for phone-related tasks, its magnetic MagSafe compatibility ensures a secure attachment to your device. The Wearable E1 isn't just a flashlight, it doubles as a phone stand, making it ideal for hands-free usage in various situations. Shifting how you approach comfort and function, this chair-table hybrid builds versatility into every inch. Designed for those who refuse to stay confined to one spot, it blends transformable comfort with utility and seamless mobility. Whether you're tackling spreadsheets, sketching in a park, or letting your cat curl up next to you mid-read, it adapts to fit the moment. The armrests aren't just static supports, they fold down and lock into several angles, letting you lounge or sit upright, your choice. Precision meets endurance with the Zhiyun Crane 4E, a 3-axis camera stabilizer designed for professionals who demand intelligent ergonomics and long-lasting performance. Engineered for efficiency, its reduced weight construction eases strain through a 25% wrist effort reduction, a 20% sling grip energy save, and a 15% dual hold fatigue drop. The modular sling grip adjusts in length and direction, catering to hours of dynamic filming without burnout. Step into a new age of intuitive robotics where human-like interaction meets intelligent design. This advanced personal companion isn't just a machine, it's an experience. Powered by ChatGPT integration, it engages in natural conversation, offering everything from thoughtful responses to jokes with timing and tone that mirror a human. Its biomimetic behavior system allows it to move with lifelike fluidity, reacting to voice, touch, and motion cues with striking realism. For those seeking convenience and power on the go, the Baseus Magnetic Power Bank 10,000 mAh is an excellent solution. This compact yet robust battery pack delivers up to 7.5 watts of fast wireless charging, making it a perfect companion for iPhone 12 to 16 series models. Thanks to its magnetic design, it effortlessly attaches to the back of your iPhone, providing a seamless charging experience without the need for buttons or complicated setups. Slip into a zone of pure precision where every footstep, reload, and whisper is amplified for the win. This is what the InZone Buds bring to your gaming arsenal. Built in collaboration with Fnatic, one of the top esports organizations, these wireless gaming earbuds are crafted for peak competition. Game all day with an impressive 12 hours on a single charge, or stretch to 48 hours using the charging case powered by LE Audio. The UAtom Origin 800 is a versatile, high-performance portable power station designed for those who need reliable power on the go. This unit provides an impressive 800-watt AC output, making it capable of powering a wide range of devices from electronics to appliances.